It's the first horror story I ever read, The Face of Fear. I was 13 years old, and it scared the hell out of me. I think it takes place inside an office building. I can't remember anymore. Hold on a second. I read it, and it was in me, forever. And after you read a lot, you start to write a lot. This crate is everything I've ever written. Some of it's handwritten, some of it, hold on a second. Some of it's handwritten, some of it's typed, some of it's green, some of it's blue, some of it's even orange. As you can imagine, this crate means a lot to me. So now that you're writing, what do you listen to while you're writing? Well, silence is good, silence is scary, but music is good too. I used to listen to bands like the Everly Brothers, the Beach Boys, but the lyrics were distracting, so I switched to classical music. This was great. The imagination running wild, telling stories, but it wasn't dark enough. So I turned to the horror movie soundtrack, like Suspiria and The Shining. Some soundtracks were a little more dialogue and sounds than they were music, and some soundtracks just had cool covers. But eventually, we settled with the masters. Bernard Herrmann, John Carpenter. I actually had 5 birds. I would let them fly freely around the apartment because it felt bad to lock them in a cage. It's not as messy as you might think. I would wake up around 7 and I'd get to work, and the birds would just be flying back and forth to the apartment, back and forth, back and forth. And sometimes I would take breaks and I would play them the guitar. And when I played them the high notes, 5 of them would all gather on one perch and listen to me. It was kind of a thrill to go from writing this book, Bird Box, to actually playing the guitar for some birds. They love the high notes. We all love the high notes. In Chinska, Brazil, you're not going to believe this, but I've had this map hanging in my house for 2 years. My best friend, my drummer, he got it for me for a birthday present. Thank you. I cannot wait to meet you in person, and I'm hugely grateful for all of this. I think we make a great pair.